we see a fondness of music, a liking of music in human nature. Is it or does it originate from nafs-e ammara, or is it part of our righteous fitrat nature, inner nature?
You see, music is one thing and singing is another thing. So nowadays different types of music have been invented, like pop music, etc. It just maddens people, nothing more. In olden days, there was classical music in which it calmed the soul instead of maddening it. So that type of music may be all right, but personally I believe Ahmadis sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not like music, but he liked good songs and good voices in songs. So that is why on MTA we have songs of different people, but don't play any music along with it. And it is very much liked and appreciated by even non-Muslims.